Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Lizzie. Today I am going to show you guys how I achieved this French corals using Brazilian wool. Yes, I said it, Brazilian wool. So I've been seeing this trend on TikTok where people use Brazilian wool to do their hair. So this is the wool. It actually looks so much and feels so much like the normal braid extensions that we have. So I actually did get about 3 packets of the wool. One packet here in Nigeria is about 16 to 17 thousand naira. So I got about 3 packets and it did serve me a lot. It's actually more cost effective than using the normal braiding extension that we have. So I'm just going to mix black and brown because I did get black and brown. So this is the wool. It's really soft and moist. It works just as the normal braid extensions that we have. So what I did was to measure it into the size that I wanted for my hair, and then I just brushed it out. And this is the black as well. Like, it's so beautiful. In the place where I am right now, it's not quite rampant, so I had to order for mine from Abuja, and I just got what I wanted. So I'm going to mix this black and brown together. So this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to mix everything together. This actually takes quite some time, so I did most of it off camera, and this is what I have right now. So I'm going to pick my hair straightener and I'm just going to straighten the extension because I want it as smooth and as flat as possible. So I'm going to straighten all of it and then start braiding my hair. So right now guys, I'm just going to section my hair at the middle. I'll be sectioning the whole of my head, so that the next thing I'll just do is just to start braiding. So I'm going to section the middle, just make sure that it is of equal parts. Next up, I'm going to go ahead to apply my edge control from papaya at the middle like this, and then once I am done, I'm going to section the front of my head as well, just the front of my hair actually, and then just to have the middle, which we do right now. Then I'm going to go ahead to apply the edge control and then secure the front of my hair properly. So guys, for the back of my head, I'm going to section 8 into 6. So this is the first one right here. Once I section, I'm going to secure and basically just repeat the same process all the way, so that it will be really easy for me to braid my hair. So this is what my hair looks like right now. I am going to go ahead and start sectioning the front again. So since I divided the middle into 2, I'm going to section this part into 6 like this. So 6 on one part. It actually didn't really give me 6 on both sides. I think I had 5 on one part and 6 on the other part, basically because one side of my hair I think is fuller and the other side is not necessarily as full as the other part of my head. But all I'm trying to say is that I just did section everything together so that it was easy for me to just go ahead and start braiding. So right now I am going to pick up my extension and start braiding. So I'm going to section my hair again and then apply my edge control and then just basically braid the normal way that we usually braid. Divide your hair into 3 layers. Pick one hand to the left, the middle to the right. I don't know how to explain it better than the way that I am explaining right now, but just watch the video, you definitely understand. So while I braid, I'll pick my hair extension. I'll just keep adding and adding until I am good with what I have. Remember that if you're going to section your hair into bits, if it's not going to be really big, you really do not need so much extension. So I'm just going to keep adding and adding until I am okay with what I have. And then when I get to the end of the braid, I'm just going to secure it and then use lighter. Yeah, I'm just going to use lighter and then just secure the ends of the hair so that it doesn't unravel. Invariably, what this means is from the part where I have secured downwards is where the coil is going to start from. So what I did was, at every step that I made sure that I increased the length of the curls. I hope that is understood. So you are going from short, shorter, shortest. I do hope that is understood. You're going from short, shorter, shortest. You're in this video, you're actually going to understand while we proceed. Just be a little bit patient. You're going to understand what I mean by that. So guys, right now you can see that my curls are actually starting from almost at the middle of the extension that I have. Right, it's almost at the middle of the extension. So you are going to go from shortest, like I said before. Well, you could actually make everything equal, but for me in this particular video, I wanted everything to be unequal. Yep, I wanted everything to be unequal. So just go ahead and keep braiding and braiding until you are at the end. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and remember that your parts have to be really clean. Make sure that you're tightening your grip. It's really important. From the roots, make sure that you tighten your grip. That is what is going to make your hair look really neat. So guys, we are done with our hair. All I'm going to do next is to coil up everything. So this was actually how I curled my hair up. So I went in with flexi rods and then just curled up everything like this. Just make sure that you are coiling, like you're not twisting and curling, you are just laying everything flat from the beginning of the flexi rod to the end. Just lay everything flat because they are trying to achieve French curls and not the normal twisted curls that we usually do. So just curl that up, and then once you're done, make sure that you boil hot water and then place your leave-in conditioner inside the hot water. This works perfectly for curls. It just gives it a very defined shape. So place your hair inside the hot water and the leave-in conditioner like this, and then allow it to dry for some time. So I actually stayed with this hair overnight until the next morning. So right now I'm just removing the flexi rods from the hair, and this is actually what it looks like. I'm so much loving everything. Like I really do love it. I love the outcome. This is what it looks like. I'm going to give you guys a detailed video on what the hair actually looks like. So this is just me removing the flexi rods. So guys, right now I'm going to pick up my oil sheen spray from above just to give it that glow, you know, that shine. I'm just going to spray my hair, and once that is done, I'm going to apply edge control. So I mixed my edge control with the normal black petals because I didn't want it to flake. So this is it, guys. I'm loving every bit of this particular hair. You can imagine this is totally 100% from beginning to the end. This is totally Brazilian wool, like so beautiful, and it's really cost effective. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope that this video has been helpful. If it has, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share. And if you've not turned on your notification button, please do that so that each time I post you get the notification and you'll be the first to know. I have lots of amazing videos for you guys, so I'm going to link some of them to this particular video so that you guys can see. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you've learned something new or if it has helped you in any way, and don't forget to share as well. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. I did have a wedding on this particular day, and this was how I rocked my hair. I got lots and lots of compliments. Thank you guys for in my next video. Bye.